Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Anissa from University of Indonesia. I represent other researchers to present the result of our study entitled The Impact of COVID-19 Pandemic on Antenatal Care Quality, a case study of Kelapa Gading Health Center, North Jakarta. This is the table of contents that will be presented, start from introduction, methodology, results and discussions, and then conclusions. We did this research based on the background where the first case of COVID-19 was detected on March 2nd, 2020 in Indonesia. As we know, COVID-19 very risky for vulnerable groups, including pregnant women. So facing that situation, Indonesian government set a policy of large-scale social restrictions that limits health services. And the MGH service was one of the services affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. In this situation, we meet the challenge to fulfill MGH service needs while minimizing the transmission of COVID-19. Jakarta, as the city with the highest number of cases, experienced the greatest impact on MGH service at community health centers. Based on the background that has been explained, the study aims to assess the impact of COVID-19 pandemic on pregnant women's access to MCH services, to assess the quality of antenatal care provided, whether following the standards, and also to assess the problems as a basis to solve the problems. This is the methodology of this research. The type of research is case study on the quality of antenatal care before and during the COVID-19 pandemic. And the population is pregnant women who had a pregnancy checkup at Kelapa Gading Health Center during March 2019 to February 2021. The sample size was calculated using the Slovin technique and obtained 98 maternal visits before the COVID-19 pandemic and 97 maternal visits during the COVID-19 pandemic. The variables used were pregnant women's characteristics, including age, education, occupation, parity, NC4 coverage, 10 antenatal service standard, place of delivery, and pregnancy complications. And the data source used is the electronic medical record of the MGH service at Kelapa Gading Health Center. Go to the first results and discussions. One of the impact of COVID-19 pandemic on MGH service is the decline in antenatal care visits. Based on the graph, we can see that there is a very sharp decline in April, which is the month after the first case of COVID-19 was discovered in March. And based on several studies, this happens because the fear of pregnant women being infected with COVID-19. Also, there was this transfer of maternal service to COVID-19 service, especially for pregnant women who had positive swab results. And also there is an advice to stay at home during the COVID-19 pandemic. And then the second result can see from the table of comparison of antenatal quality variables before and during the COVID-19 pandemic. We can see that there are not many differences in the characteristic of pregnant women. And also from the quality of service is also not too different, seen from NC4 indicator and also 10 antenatal service standards, where the NC4 indicator was 74.5% before the COVID-19 pandemic and 73.2% during the COVID-19 pandemic. And from 10 antenatal service standards indicator, seem that almost all the indicators 100% fulfilled before and during the COVID-19 pandemic. And that all mean that the antenatal care provided, and that all means that the antenatal care provided has followed the standard. But the difference is quite visible in the choice of place of delivery, where the unknown place of delivery increasing 8.4% from 16.3% to 24.7% during the pandemic. And this problem will be analyzed further using fishbone analysis on the next slide. This is the fishbone analysis from place of birth unknown. And this fishbone analysis was carried out to explore the causes of unknown place of delivery. And from human factors, we found that there is a lack of follow-up from health workers and also lack of counseling in preparation for childbirth during COVID-19. And pregnant woman doesn't want to be swabbed, and they choose to deliver their babies in a clinic without a swab. And from tool, there are double manual and digital recording. And also there are different recordings between manual and digital recording. And officers who record manually are different from officers who record digitally. And from environment, we found that lack of socialization standard operating procedure, and there is a high stigma of COVID-19 in the environment. And also people think that the health center is a place for COVID-19 services. And from methods, we found that telemedicine is not optimal yet because telemedicine is still focuses on COVID-19 cases. And from previous research, said that safe delivery preparations counseling has an effect on choice of place of delivery, and found that also there is a high stigma of COVID-19 in the family and neighborhood. And COVID-19 pandemic situation increases the anxiety, especially for pregnant women who not only are worried about themselves, but also worrying about the babies. And pregnant women worried about being infected if they give birth at a health facility that is a COVID-19 referral place. And electronic medical record can affect clinical decision making. And also application of telemedicine is the solution for antenatal care during COVID-19 pandemic. Based on the results and discussions that have been presented, this is the conclusion of the study. The first one is there has been a decrease in visit on maternal and child health services. And Kelapa Gading Health Center has been able to maintain the service standards. And the last one is pregnant women do not want to give birth in the health centers that serve COVID-19 because the pregnant women are afraid of getting infected. This is the reference we use in this presentation. Thank you for your attention. I will return it to the moderator. Thank you.